Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you where is the power button located in your LG Smart TV and what you can control with that power button. Okay, when we put the TV this way, you will see the power button is located here. So when I press one time, the TV is turning on. So there are no any button beside the power button, so we try to control it one time. Just press it, and then you can see is the some of the manual display on the TV. So I try again once more time. We press one time on the power button, and then another time it will show another manual: volume up, volume down, program up, program down, and then back to power off. Okay, to control it, you just hold on the power button, and then it will get into the volume up function, and then you just press one time, two time, and then it rise the volume up. And then if you want to back to the manual, just hold it on again, and then it return to the normal function. And then we press one time and hold it on. Now we entering the volume down, and then we can control the volume down button. Okay, to return we do the same way, just hold it on, and then it return to the manual. Program up and program down is we use the same way. Return, just hold it on. Okay, and then if you just want to turn off the TV, we have two suggestions. First, you can hold on this remote when it's display on the power off position. And then another way, you no need to press any menu. When it's disappear by itself, you just hold on the power button, and then the TV will turn off. And you will see the red signal display on the receiver of the TV. Okay, and I think that's all for today's video of where is the location of the power button in your LG Smart TV and how you can use it to operate your TV. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.